Hello, sales pros, and welcome to your monthly Sales Elite Recharge. I'm Michelle, here with my correspondent Ash. Summer is upon us, so this month we'll be focusing on how to increase your sales using the MySolarEdge app with your homeowners.
The MySolarEdge app for homeowners is the single application that a homeowner needs to track and manage their entire SolarEdge home energy ecosystem. Here, a homeowner can control all of their smart energy devices as well as monitor their solar production, battery, and EV charge levels. Did you know that you can download this app for free in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store? From the login screen, you can select demo sites to access SolarEdge's test sites. We have test sites set up all over the world with our equipment installed. You can use these test sites to show a customer in your consultation how they'll interact with their solar equipment after they go solar. This can be a powerful tool for painting a picture in the homeowner's mind. But how can I run this conversation? If only there was a short video that could help with this.
New video release alert. In this video, we will cover how to utilize the MySolarEdge app to enhance your conversation as you move through the bill review and recommended solution phases of your sales conversation. Check out the link in the video's description below.
Before we close out, let's check out a cool installation. We were really excited to be part of this install in Las Vegas. Two incredible Navy veterans, Cindy and Patty, received a donated solar system through RG Electric's Solar for Good program. Solaredge provided the inverter and optimizers for the project, helping make sure the system runs efficiently and reliably for years to come. It's a small way we can help give back to those who've given so much.
Also, be sure to catch our Sales Elite webinar event on the features of the MySolarEdge app. Register now by scanning the QR code on your screen.
That's all for now. Tune in next month for more sales tips and tricks. See you then.